News just coming in after the JKPC's exit from the Gupkar alliance. The PDP is now also rethinking its decision of being a part of the alliance. Mehbooba Mufti is to meet party cadres in Jammu for the next 2 days. We are also getting to understand now that Mehbooba Mufti will be also meeting those leaders who have so far gone against the party. A final decision will be taken after the series of meetings. Gursimran is on the phone line with me. Gursimran, good morning. Take us through what you are hearing about this. We understand that Mehbooba Mufti could also be thinking of parting ways with the Gupkar alliance.
Yes, what we are picking up from our sources in the People's Democratic Party that after exit of Jammu Kashmir People's Conference led by Sajjad Loan, the PDP is also rethinking upon its decision of being part of the Gupkar alliance. This is because some of the leaders of the party, including some senior leaders, they are unhappy with the party's decision to be part of Gupkar alliance, as they feel that the National Conference has totally backstabbed them, and the decision how the seats were shared during the ADC election, it was only and only National Conference which has got the benefit, and PDP was backstabbed badly. Now the Mehbooba Mufti will be in Jammu for 2 days. She will be hosting a series of meetings. Today she will be at the State Guest House, where at first she will be meeting her close allies in Jammu. After that, tomorrow morning, what we are thinking that some leaders which have gone against the party, they will also be meeting Mehbooba Mufti, and tomorrow evening Mehbooba Mufti will be chairing the core group meeting of the People's Democratic Party in Jammu, where some major decisions could be taken, though the decision to be part of the Gupkar alliance.
Absolutely, as you're pointing out, Gursimran, there have been a lot of internal rumblings within the PDP over this alliance, and there are a lot of questions being asked about its relevance, given the fact that the People's Sajjad Loan also had pulled out of it.
Indeed, this is very true. This is not the alliance of the ideologies. We have seen how the National Conference and PDP were fighting with each other when PDP was part of the government, and now they have joined hands. This also shows that they want to be in power. But the way the PDP has suffered during the DDC election, because National Conference got a major chunk of the seat share, even they contested most of the seats, and PDP was not given the seats they expected. So that's why the leadership is now unhappy. Yes.
Right. Thank you very much, Gursimran, for bringing to us those details.